out there, I'll be looking like one of Poke's skin. This is gonna be a short video, right? Isn't it? This is not too expensive. I think I'll fake the. See what pants he has. If he has the black slacks, they're around Robux, and I'll be able to afford them because I don't have 2 Robux. Anyways, I think he has the black slacks, or is it the black? Just black. The black. Black. Black color, black color, black color. Body. Skin tone. Advance. These two are black. Gonna put the bands off. I'm gonna get rid of my robot things. R15. Back to R15. Oh, this looks like one of Poke's skin. I don't know if he has a heat or not. If he removes his heat on Roblox, I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, I gotta remove the heat from my avatar. So I'm trying to look like other skins. Like this, I need the sloth to look like him, look like one of his skins without the gold teeth, but I need that galaxy shirt. I'm going to get it one day. One day. Yeah, I failed with this one. Failed with this. So, peace, guys.